So hello guys, in this tutorial this is the OS Dev part 3 edition, and in this video I'm gonna implement some important stuff. Make sure to check this URL, and make sure to subscribe my channel. So let's get into it. So as a tbag, I've created a internet protocol in Python. Make sure to check that out. So enough of this in this website. So how to make an OS YouTube tutorial 3. So after disk management, we will continue to implement some important things. What are they? They are software file system. We need to tell that the software to create its own file things, etc. So this is called software file system, and this is the hard, but I've put it in medium because I'm gonna code it in medium level. And port configuration will be required to read inputs from USB devices, for example optical mouse, keyboards, etc. 2. Memory management is required to get some temporary stuff and make loading efficient and make things quicker. So this is called memory management. And what are these functions? So have you ever heard of malloc, calloc? Yes, these are the things which we're gonna need to implement. Interrupts, these are another hard things, so we'll talk on that later. 3. Type management, the data types. We know there are many 32 or 35 data types in C, but there are still some data types that isn't included in cross compiler, and here is a list of these. So we don't care. Yes, we don't absolutely care about these. Even Linus says that. We just copy and paste the open source. You can copy and paste for me. Just we don't care about these things. Just care about their uses. And graphics management. Graphics management is these goofy things. And multitasking. So I'm multitasking right now. For example, I'm opening a terminal, I'm opening VS Code, I'm opening a web tab, I'm opening a image, I'm opening a presentation, and I'm opening a screen recorder. So this is all multitasking. So how is it controlled? It is controlled by a trick called timing for multitasking in 64-bit PC. So let's go to Wikipedia for a slide. In computing, multitasking is the concurrent execution of multiple tasks, also known as processes, over a certain period of time. Now, new tasks can interrupt only As a result, a computer executes segments of multiple tasks in an interleaved manner, while the tasks share common processing resources such as the CPUs and the main memory. Multitasking operator automatically enters the running program, save its state, partial results, memory contents, and computer register content, blah 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 blah. So now enough of this goofy hours. Now I'm gonna see something, which is how much task can a CPU control per thread. One thread. A CPU core can only process one thread at a time. One task. This is the answer I've been looking for. Per thread. It is per thread. They have mistyped it, but it should be one thread. So we're gonna treat that later. Multitasking. Internet. The internet will be easy, even it is hard. Application tabbed. The tabbed application are these. So now in this video, I'm gonna start with the easy groups first. This video is all about the easy groups. So number 1, here code configuration, 2, memory management, 3, type management, and 4.1, IO management. This is 4.4 and IO. And the other rest of it is keyboard implementation. So on GitHub I have the source code. This is the part 1 source code and this is the part 2 source code. You can find the part 3 source code on the description below, or if you go onto this website on GitHub. So enough, what's the code? So these are the code. So as I said, we don't care about this thing. Now what does the IOs look like? So this is it, stdint.h to implement built-in things like this, built-in types like this, SM volatile. So these are actually assembly codes, so we don't care assembly. We hate the state assembly. This is why we didn't write our own bootloader, just like Microsoft seized Genus code and make it in their own bootloader. We are not gonna specify time in that. I need some. So hey, I'm back. So now I've also oh yes, guys, and to what's 3, type management, memory management. So memory management isn't in this field, so this is gonna be the part 1 of it. So now I've also done a thing which is adjust the print things. So this is also a pre-implementation of graphics. So I've implemented the print int, print float, and then coded the printf function. And now let's clear it. So let's go to it and let's initialize a string. Now string isn't a data type, but I learned it at C50 course and then got into their source code and copy and pasted this single bit of code and this snippet here, error, just for in highlighting case. So this code snippet is from sys50. So this initializes a variable data type named string. So string name equals Sean. So hello stays as name. So now I'm gonna run it. Let's wait a while. Looper new project. Now let's wait for it to boot. Yes, we've got our data type John. So let's do some mathematical operations, shall we? So integer num o, so not this, x equals 1 and y equals 3 and o equals x plus y. Now what's the format specifier for it? D. Hello. Output put percentage D O. Everything's correct. So let's see so output is 4. So if we divided something, let's say 6 divided by 3, so let's see this. So yes, 18. So you will, as always, you will find the source code in my GitHub repository and the explanation and the trailer in this website. So feel free to check that and make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next episode of OS Development.